Right guys, we got a bit of history. Now, it's not like me to go on one of these, but this had to be done. This has been in operation since 1893. It's made by a company called Savage, and it used to belong to Pat Collins' mother. Her name was Maggie Collins. Now in the possession of Harris's. As you see in the middle there, when we come round, you'll see that the old canister there. And back in the day, this would have been run on steam. So yeah, this is a classic old ride. In this country, in the UK, we call these gallopers. If you go over to America, they're called a carousel. So this is certainly something very different for the channel. But this is a real piece of history, you know. It's just too good to turn down to go on this one, you know. This had to be done. Wow, there we go. This is down in West Bromwich, Dartmouth Park. Some of the rides are going up to Shifnal in the third week of June. Some of the rides are staying here. I'm not too sure. You'll have to check the website for that one. All the stuff that's moving out of Dartmouth Park, there will be other stuff coming in to replace it. I think it's the 18th today, so next weekend, what is it today? Yeah, Sunday the 18th, Sunday the 19th, so in a week's time there will be different rides down here in Dartmouth Park. Thanks folks.